Welcome to the virtual reality training on cleanroom gowning procedure. My name is GMP Bot, name derived from Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP. I am your virtual assistant. I shall be your guide for the next few minutes to show you how the gowning procedure is to be followed. Let's get started. As you know, it is important for any pharmaceutical company to have procedural controls in place to prevent contamination in the building, especially in the processing area. This virtual reality training will cover the procedure for changing clothes during entry to and exit from the pharmaceutical production facility. Before we begin, let's learn how to use your virtual hands. Point your right hand to the buttons and press the trigger button to select an action. Perfect. Please use the menu to the left to select your department. Great. Now let's learn how to move in VR space. Use the teleport button on the right-hand controller to teleport yourself to different places. Hold it, point the hand to the desired location, and release. Great work! Now enter the main factory building. This is the security room. Beyond this point, you are not allowed to carry any cigarettes, lighters, tobacco, matches, or any other dangerous items into the plant. Please remove applicable items. Excellent. Please proceed ahead. Follow me to the first change room. Open the door with the trigger button. Good. Now please enter the first change room. Open the door to continue. This is the first change room. All visitors to the site will have to pass through the first change room to provide protection to personnel and maintain hygiene in the facility. Please remove your street shoes and socks and place them in the rack. Great work! Now remove your street clothes and other personal belongings, including any jewelry, and place them in your assigned locker. Please apply soap from the soap dispenser. Wash your hands under the tap and dry them using the hand dryer. Good. Now you may proceed to the clean room. Open the door to continue. Before entering the clean room, please stand on the sterilium mat with bare feet. Good. Open the door and enter into the clean room. A clean room is a controlled environment where all contaminants need to be controlled to ensure product quality, worker safety, and the integrity in the facility. Contaminants like dust, vapors, and microbes, particles generated by people such as skin flakes, hair and clothing fibers, and other materials like paper, pencils, paints, and coatings. Please wear the correct uniform for your department: cap, shirt, and pants. Select the necessary items in the wardrobe. Please wear washed factory socks. Get them from the shelf. You must wear black-colored shoes, primary factory footwear, without touching them. Please check your uniform in the mirror or on the mannequin. Good. Please leave the clean room. Proceed to the primary changing room. Open the door to the right. Before entering into the primary change room, please apply disinfectant to both hands. Open the door to the primary change room. This is the primary change room, a further change room necessary to prevent contamination of the more critical areas of the facility. For example, manufacturing, sampling, dispensing. Move over to the changing bench. Sit and cross over to the other side of the bench without touching it with your feet. Point your hand to the bench and press the trigger button. Please take the lint-free trousers, cap, and shirt from the hanger and put them on over the previously donned uniform. Please wear the shoe covers. Take them from the shelf. Apply disinfectant on both hands. Please wear gloves and face mask. Great. Please check your uniform in the mirror or on the mannequin. Please leave the primary change room and proceed to your department. Open the door to the primary change room. Sit and cross over to the other side of the bench without touching it with your feet. Remove used sterile items, gloves, face mask, shoe cover, and cap, and put them in the used sterile bin. Remove used lint-free garments, trousers and shirt, and put them in the used linen bin. Good. Open the door and leave the primary change room. Proceed to the clean room. Open the door to the clean room. Place your primary factory footwear in the shoe rack. Remove your primary suit and drop it into the bin. Perfect. Now leave the clean room. Please enter into the first change room. Please collect all personal belongings and put on your street clothes. Great. Now leave the first change room. Congratulations! You have successfully completed virtual reality training on cleanroom gowning procedure. Here are the results. Thank you for participating in the training session. Goodbye. You can now remove the VR headset.